Unit 2, Lesson 3, Comparing Rates. To compare different rates, you need to calculate their unit rate. Very important what the meaning of unit rates. And to explain the meaning of unit rates, I prefer that we start the first example. The first example is saying a case of 12 cartons of juice cost $11.76, and another choice, a packet of 3 cartons of the same juice cost $2.88. Which juice is better buy? From the two cases, as you can see, case 1 and case 2, there is different choices, 12 carton with $11.76 and 3 cartons with $2.88. In this case, we are saying at the beginning, to compare different rates, you need to calculate the unit rates. So the best thing is to find the unit cost how much. So if I'm gonna start to say, I need for the first case to find the unit cost, which means if I have 12 carton, and I'm gonna put between bracket 12 carton, which the first case, it's saying what? It's saying $11.76 for 12 cartons. So if I take $11.76 and I divide it by 12 cartons, it will give me the price of one carton. So it's gonna be 98 cents. And for the package number 2, or for the choice number 2, I'm gonna again calculate the unit costs, and between bracket here I'm gonna put the 3 cartons, which the second case. I have 3 cartons with $2.88. In this case, I'm gonna take $2.88 and I will divide it by 3. To find the answer, it will be 96 cents. And as you can see right away, that if I compare between the first case and the second case, I will find that the second case is better. There is less 2. So in this case, I will say that the second case of 3 cartons, it's better choice. So we will say the unit rate of better buy juice is 96 cents per carton. And this is to explain what the meaning of unit rate. Let's see another example and we will understand better what the meaning of unit rate. Great Start cereal can be purchased in 3 different sizes and prices. Find the least expensive cereal. Again, I have 3 package A, and I have package B and package C. They are in different size and price. Package A, 450 gram, and it costs $4.69. Package B, it's 600 gram and it costs $6.49. And package C, it's 1 kilo and it costs $7.89. So as you can see, to check which package A or B or C is better buy, in this case I need to have again the unit rate. The unit rate means I need to find, let's say, the price of 1 gram. This is the meaning of unit rate. But to find 1 gram, it's very small if I compare with 450 and 600 and 1 kilo. That's why in this case we're gonna say Why I don't check what the price of 100 gram in each case, in case A, in case B, in case C. So how can I find the 100 gram? And why I chose 100 gram? Because it's easy to calculate. So let's say box A. This is the first case. In box A, we have 450 gram, and the cost is $4.69. So I need to find what the price of 100 gram only, and this is, we're gonna call it the unit rate. So 450 gram, if we think well, the 450 gram means what? Means 4.5 times 100. We know very well, when I multiply by 100, I move the decimal point 2 steps to the right. It's gonna give me 450. So that means what? The 450, when I break it in 4.5 times 100. That means if I want to get the costs of the 100 gram, I take, in this case, I'm gonna say the costs of 100 gram of box A for sure, because this is my case. It will equal to what? The $4.69, I take this price and I divide it by 4.5. And in this case, it will give me the price of 100 gram. It will be $1.042. So I will keep this and I will go to the second case and I will do the same calculation. So in this case, I'm gonna say what? I'm gonna say box B. Again, I have 600 gram. The cost is $6.49. That means what? That means if I break the 600 gram, that means equal to 6 times 100 gram. In this case, the costs of 100 gram of box B, of box B equal to what? I take the price, which is $6.49, and I divide it by 6. In this case, I will get the price of the 100 gram in the case of box B, which is $1.082. And I would say, okay, let's go to the last one, box C. Box C, 1 kilo. For sure, the kilo means 1,000 gram. The cost is what? If I go a little bit down, I will find that the cost equal to $7.89. So $7.89. So I will break the 1,000 gram, and I would say 1,000 gram equal what by 100, as you are saying 10 gram. So in this case, I would say the costs of 100 gram of box C equal, I will take the $7.89 and I will multiply by 10. And in this case, I will get the price of the 100 gram of this box, which can be 0.789. It's very easy to do this simplification. I move the decimal point 1 step to the left because I'm dividing by 10. As you can see from the 3 cases, the first case, the 100 gram cost $1.042. the second $1.082, the third 0.789. For sure you understand right away which one is the best buy. For sure box C is the cheapest one. So in this case I'm gonna say that box C is the best buy because it's the least expensive. Now we're gonna go to the third example, and in the third example it's saying Maria is looking for a part-time job for 14 hours a week. She has been offered 3 positions: day camp counselor with $7.50 per hour, as a cashier with $25 for 3 hours, and library assistant for $40 for 5 hours. The first question is saying, as you can see, which job should Maria accept? For sure, the one that it offer her better price per hour, it's gonna be the one that she can choose. The second, how much will Maria earn in a week with this job? So, before we start again, we need to know the unit rate. The unit rate, that means the rate per 1 hour. In the day camp counselor, the first case, it's easy. They give you already $7.50 per hour. So it's already with a unit rate. The second case, it's saying $25 per 3 hours. So I take the $25 and I divide it by 3 to get how much she can get per 1 hour. It's gonna be $8.33 per hour. And the third case, it's saying that if she will work as library assistant, she will get $44 per 5 hours. So again, I will take the $44, I divide it by 5 to get the rate per 1 hour. It will give me $8.80 per hour. If I compare, the first one is $7.50 per hour. The second one is $8.33 per hour. The third one is $8.80 per hour. So right away, from this case, I can see that case number 3, which is library assistant, it will give Maria the best price or the best salary. So in this case, I answer the first question by saying that Maria choice is going to be the third one, which is library assistant. Now, how much will Maria earn in a week? We know that they offer her $44 for 5 hours or $8.80 per 1 hour. Now, if she gonna work for 1 week, we know from the beginning, it's saying that Maria is looking for a part-time for 15 hours a week. She cannot do more than that because it's part-time. So I can say Maria works 15 hours a week. And we know that the rate of $8.80 per hour. So in this case, it's very easy. I can say she will earn 15 hours and the rate is $8.80. The total is gonna give me $132, and this is her salary per week. I hope that you understood what the meaning of the unit rate, and it was lesson 3 in unit 2. See you for the next time with lesson 4 unit 2. Thank you.